Hello. Today we are going to learn about if statement and if else statement in Python. And for doing that, we can have an example of percentage and grade. So I'm just writing some range for percentage and grade. Percentage, if it is 95 and above, then it is grade A. If it is in the range of 89 to 94 or to 95, then it is grade B. After that, we can have another range from 75 to 90 to 89. Then it is grade C. And anything below that, if it is 70 less than 75, then we can say that it is grade F, right? So for doing this, let's make a new file. And we require to introduce one variable called as percentage. Now the percentage can be a floating number, and that's why we should introduce the percentage as floating number. Float input. Why input? Because we want the user to give its own input. So the system would ask the user that, hey, what is your percentage? Input. And then the comment. Enter your percentage. Then print your percentage is and percentage. Now we can have the if statement here. If percentage is greater than or equal to 95, then semicolon. This semicolon is very important. Grade equal to A, and we can write print your grade is, and then the system would bring the value of grade from here and then grade. Second condition is if percentage. So we are again using the statement if. If percentage is greater than or equal to 89. So let me help you with this. Grade is equal to B. Now the system would make an error, and I want you to show the error, that why the system would make the error, and that's why I would intentionally make error here. So I think you should understand why the system would make error, but I think let's make an error intentionally. If else.py, and then it is invalid syntax. Well, I already told you that semicolon is very important. So put semicolon, then again the system should make an error. Grade percentage is like 98. The system gave us a couple of answers, that your grade is A, your grade is B. And this happened because of our bad programming. That when we made a condition that if the percentage is greater than 89, then it is grade B. We also said that if the percentage is greater than 95, then it is grade A. And that's why system said that you have grade A and B both. So whenever we write coding, we should write our conditions very precisely. And that's why there would be AND statement here. If percentage is greater than or 89 and percentage is less than 95, then your grade is B. Okay, now the system will not make error, and let me show you. And let's put the grade as 98 again. So it is saying that your grade is A. One more thing over here is, even if we are putting the integer value as percentage, that we can see here, when the system prints the value of the percentage, it is printing as 98.0. Our input was 98 and the system is stating as 98.0 because for the system, this 98.0 is a floating number. Let's have another range of percentage. If percentage is greater than or equal to 75 and percentage is less than 89, semicolon, grade is C, and print your grade is grade, because this grade would tell the system to bring the value of the grade variable, and that would be C, right? And the last condition is, if the percentage is anything, now we don't require to give double conditions, anything which is below 75, everything is fail. If the percentage is less than 75, semicolon, grade equal to F, print your grade is great, and let's run it. Let's put a failing grade 74. Your grade is F, right? So it is working. Now for the same program we can also use the else statement here, and in if else statement in Python we can write as elif, elif, then just write it like elif, and in the last condition it would be only else statement, and we don't require to write even this condition statement here, that if it is 75 or less than that, because anything which is not matching with this above statement, it would be in the else one. So let's run it. And yes, it is working. So let's put a failing grade that I got 40.21 percentage, right? And it is saying that your grade is F. So this program is working even with the if statement and also with the else statement. And I think that's how you can use the if and else statement in Python. I would put some more video in future. Thank you very much.